1. The Hindu requires steno secretary. The candidate should have experience of 5 years in secretarial work. Age should be between 30 and 40 years. The candidates should have passed the government technical examinations in English shorthand and English typewriting by the senior grade. He should have proficiency in the use of computer and word processing. Persons with postgraduate qualifications will be preferred. Salary will be commensurate with qualifications and experience. Candidate may send in their resume along with a passport size photograph within 7 days of this advertisement to the Assistant Vice President, Human Resources Department, The Hindu, Anna Salai, Chennai. Draft advertisement. 2. Sealed tenders are invited by Additional Commissioner, Employees, State Insurance Corporation, Puducherry, from security agencies for providing 20 ex-servicemen security guards on contract basis for a period of 1 year. They will be posted at different office buildings and staff quarters campuses of the Employees State Insurance Corporation at Puducherry. Tender documents can be obtained till 10th January 2013 from regional office of the corporation at Puducherry on all working days during office hours on payment of rupees 100 by demand draft from State Bank of India payable at Puducherry in favor of the Employees State Insurance Corporation Savings Fund account. Completed tenders will be received up to 2 p.m. on 15th January and will be opened at 3 p.m. on the same day in the presence of the tenderers who choose to be present or their authorized representatives. The Additional Commissioner reserves the right to accept or reject any tender without giving any reason. Draft tender notice. 3. A meeting of the general body of the Fort St. George Government Officers Cooperative Building Society, Chennai, will be held at 10 a.m. on the 18th March 1979 in Hotel Maris, Cathedral Road, Chennai, to transact the following business, namely adoption of audit report for 1977-78, reading of the defects pointed out by the auditor and their rectification, and any other subject that may be brought before the general body by any member before 7 days of the meeting. Draft notice of meeting to be issued by the secretary inviting the members to attend the meeting without fail. 4. Draft a business letter to be sent by Das and Company, Kolkata, to Thiru N. Ramaswamy, Kolkata, on the following lines. There has been a large increase in the volume of their trade. It compels them to seek more commodious premises. Accordingly, they have decided to move to 50 Canning Street, Kolkata, with effect from 1st April 2012. So they request him to send all his communications after 1st April to the new address. They trust that the new premises, being more commodious and central in position, will prove more convenient to him.